Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, to get started, pull down the control center, which is done by pulling down from the top right corner, and from here you will see this moon icon. That is basically the Do Not Disturb mode. So from here you can either tap on it to enable it, you can also hold it and give you a couple options. So you can enable it for 1 hour until this evening, or also you can go to schedule, which will take you to the settings where you can customize several other things. So I'm gonna turn it off for now. So you have schedule, and you can set it to turn on automatically every single day at a given time. So it will start by default at 10 and finish at 7 a.m. Then we also have silence, or when phone is locked, so it will give you a sounds while the phone is locked, or you can set it to be always silent. Then we have phone, so allow calls from favorites, no one, everyone, or contacts only. Choose whichever one you want. Then we should have messages somewhere. We actually have a repeated caller option here as well. So just as an example, if I go to and select here that no one can reach me in Do Not Disturb mode, I still have the repeated callers, which will allow them to actually still be able to call me, assuming they call me twice within a 3-minute period. A good option for emergencies, honestly. Then Do Not Disturb mode behavior, so active manually, automatic. Oh, this is for driving. I kind of need to check what it was. So for driving, you can set it to be manual, so you will select it if you're driving. You actually have a specific toggle for it if you want to. Add to the control center. You can set it to be automatic, so whenever the phone thinks you're driving, it will turn on Do Not Disturb mode automatically by itself. And when connected to the car Bluetooth, which if you have car Bluetooth, then probably this would be the best option, but not everybody does, so you can set it to automatic or just manual. And that's about all the settings we have here, so you can leave it now. But right now it's enabled, so we have the scheduled on, so once it's 10 p.m. it's gonna automatically turn on, but you can still do it yourself by simply tapping on it from here. But that is basically all the settings and how you would enable it. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.